welcome back to my channel. I hope all is well. Today I'm going to be making some banana bread. This tempting bread is moist, sweet, and easy to make due to it being a quick bread, meaning that it uses baking soda as the leavener instead of yeast. This luscious bread will reward you by filling your home in a heavenly aroma. Banana bread is the perfect item to brighten up your morning, so let's get started. Let's get into the ingredients. 3 ripe bananas, 1½ cups of all-purpose flour, ½ cup of white sugar, 1/4 cup light brown sugar, 2 eggs, ½ cup softened unsalted butter, 1 cup chopped walnuts. I'm using walnuts, yet you can use the nuts of your choosing, or if you have a nut allergy, you can use raisins. 1½ teaspoon pumpkin spice. Optional, however, 'tis the season, right? 1 teaspoon baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1 semi-sweet baking bar. Otherwise, you can use the chocolate of your choosing or chocolate chips. Preheat oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius. Smash together the bananas. The riper the bananas are, the easier this step will be. Plus, it will enhance the flavor. Next, roughly chop up the chocolate bar. The chocolate should have random sized pieces to bring in unique texture. Now whisk together the flour, salt, and baking soda. By doing this, you're distributing the items evenly for baking. For this step, we need to cream together the softened butter, light brown sugar, and the white sugar. Put the items in a good sized bowl. I'm using an electric hand mixer on low to medium speed. Nevertheless, using a spatula will do the trick also. Pour in the smashed bananas and the eggs and mix on low to medium speed. Time to add in the flour, which I already whisked in the salt and baking soda into the flour. Add in the pumpkin spice, mix on low to medium speed till combined. No worries for the flour on the edges. I will mix that in when I add in the walnuts and chocolate. Add in vanilla extract and mix for 5 seconds. We don't want to overmix the batter. Fold in the walnuts and the chocolate. As you can see, I'm doing this circular motion till combined. However, without overmixing the batter. In a baking loaf pan, spread some softened butter in it, or you can use spray-on oil, although I feel the butter adds more flavor. Pour in the batter and level the top. Place in the oven for 50 to 60 minutes. At 45-minute to 50-minute mark, I am going to check using a knife to see if it is done by placing the knife in the middle of the loaf. As you can see, the knife came out clean, meaning there is no batter on the knife. If there is batter on the knife, keep it in the oven for another 5 minutes and check it again till it is ready. Can't wait to slice into this banana bread. Crispy on the outside and moist on the inside. I hope you enjoyed this video. Family and friends will love this banana bread. I know mine truly do by asking me to bake them a loaf all the time, especially around the holidays. Give this banana bread a try and let me know in the comments below. Or feel free to tag me on Instagram. I would be delighted to see all your banana breads. Please like, comment, share, subscribe, and click on the bell icon for my upcoming videos. And of course, until next time, I will see you guys on my next video.